In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to a Klaviyo email. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is get your video URL. This is the web address of the video you'd like to share, and it can come from popular platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Vimeo, or really any video hosting site. So go ahead and copy that URL. Once you've got your video link ready, it's time to open your email template in Klaviyo. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar menu. There, you'll find an option that says Content. Click on it, and then choose Templates from the drop-down options. This will take you to a page with all your email templates. Just select the one you want to modify and open it in the editor. Now here comes the fun part. You're going to drag in the video block. From the sidebar panel that lists all the blocks you can use, find the one labeled Video. Once you spot it, click and hold, then drag it into position where you want your video to appear in your email layout. This is crucial because the placement can impact how engaging your email looks. With the video block in place, it's time to paste your video link. Click on the video block you've just placed, and you'll see a settings panel on the right. Look for the field that says Video URL. This is where you want to paste the link you copied at the beginning. Just like that, your video is now connected. Next, let's set up the thumbnail image for your video. If you're using a standard YouTube link, Klaviyo will automatically generate a thumbnail image for you, which is super convenient. However, keep in mind that this automatic thumbnail generation doesn't work for YouTube Shorts. If your video is from a different platform, or if it happens to be a YouTube Short, you'll need to manually select an image. Just click on the Select Image button and upload your own custom thumbnail. Make sure it looks good, because this is the first thing your audience will see. After you have your thumbnail set up, it's time to adjust some visual settings. This step is important because you want your video block to blend well with the rest of your email content. You can customize the styling by toggling the Overlay Play button on or off depending on your preference. And don't forget to adjust the padding around your video to ensure it fits snugly with the surrounding layout. You want everything to look aesthetically pleasing, right? And that's it. You've successfully added a video to your Klaviyo email. Now, remember to preview everything before sending it out to ensure it's just right. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up